Hi dear students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Seema Dudley. Welcome to my another video on the topic Internet of Things. In this video, we will compare the different architectures available for IoT. In the last videos, we were discussing about the challenges and the requirements of IoT systems. And the fundamental concept in the architecture of IoT is supporting data, process, and the functions that endpoint devices perform. And the two of the best known architectures are those supported by one M2M and the IoT World Forum. The one M2M is the global standard initiative for machine-to-machine communication and the Internet of Things. The purpose and goal of one M2M is to develop technical specifications which address the need for a common M2M service layer that can be readily embedded within various hardware and software and relied upon to connect the different devices in the field with M2M applications servers worldwide. And the critical objective of one M2M is to attract and actively involve organizations from M2M related business domains such as healthcare, e-healthcare, smart homes, connected vehicles, then industrial automation, etc. One of the greatest challenges in designing an IoT architecture is dealing with the heterogeneity of devices, software, and access methods. For example, if you want to automate our HVAC system, that is, it is in our office, that is the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, by using some kind of wireless temperature sensors throughout our office. And these sensors will be using a LoRaWAN technology, and this LoRaWAN specification is a low power wide area networking protocol designed to wirelessly connect battery operated things to the internet. So we are using this sensors are using LoRaWAN technology, and the problem is LoRaWAN network and BAC net system. BAC net system means it is a communication protocol for building automation and control, and that the HVAC and BMS run are completely different, so they cannot be connected naturally. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന HVAC സിസ്റ്റം ആൻഡ് BMS സിസ്റ്റം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് entirely different ആണ്, and it cannot be connected. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നാച്ചുറൽ ആയിട്ട് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. അങ്ങനെ വരുന്ന കേസസിലാണ് വൺ M2M ഒരു അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജ് വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ടു ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി കണക്ട് the end-to-end communication. അപ്പോൾ end-to-end കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു ടെക്നോളജിയാണ് വൺ M2M. And the one M2M common service architecture allows the LoRaWAN system to interface with the building management system, that is BMS, over an IoT network, and it promotes end-to-end IoT communication in a consistent way. Here is a figure which shows the one M2M layered model, and the one M2M layered model comprises of 3 layers. That is the application layer, second one is the service layer, and third one is the network layer. Now we can check the different layers in one M2M in detail. This one is the application layer. The functional architecture of one M2M is mainly composed of 3 layers. I have already mentioned the 3 layers, and the first one is the application layer. And this application layer provides functions related to the logic of the end-to-end M2M application, and hence an application is represented by an application entity. So the application entity is an entity in the application layer that implements an M2M application service logic. Each application service logic can be resident in a number of M2M nodes and more than once on a single M2M node. Each execution instance of an application service logic is termed as application entity and is identified with a unique application entity ID. The second layer is the common service layer, and the common service layer exposes all the functions specific to the machine-to-machine environment, such as data management, notification, and subscription management, message handling, etc. The service layer relies on the common service entity, that is CSE. So this common service entity represents an instance of a set of common service functions of one M2M service layer. And this CSE, common service entity, is actually the entity that contains the collection of one M2M specified common service functions that application entities are able to use. The final layer, that is the third layer, is a network layer. And the network layer relates the underlying network services to the layer of common services with the network service entities, that is NSE. And this uh, network service entity provides services from the underlying network to the CSE. An assignment question connected with this topic: explain in detail the one M2M IoT standardized architecture. Complete the assignments in your notebook and forward the pictures to the email ID provided to you. Thank you.